In today's video, I have got a capsule cutter blender that we have been using regularly. It was working perfectly fine, but suddenly I noticed something unusual. The motor shaft is slightly tilted to one side. Now, there could be two possible reasons behind this. Either the internal screw has come loose, or the mounting point where the screw holds the shafts has been damaged. Yes, it's broken. Let's open the donor unit. We need this part only. I have to remove this broken piece from here. We don't need this broken thing. Secure the switches. Secure the switch with its screw, and then the three screw of the motor unit. Nice. So after opening the blender, I found that one of the screw mounting points was actually broken, the part that holds the entire motor unit in place. That explains why the shaft was tilting. I replaced the damaged section using the part from the donor unit, reassembled everything, and secured it properly with screws. During testing, I noticed the blender was working inconsistently. Sometimes it ran and sometimes it didn't. That made me suspect the switch alignment might be off. And yes, that was exactly the issue. The switch wasn't positioned correctly, so it wasn't being pressed properly from the top. After fixing the switch position and reassemble it again, the blender is now working perfectly. If you found the repair helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life repair videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.